What's up, guys? If your Android apps are outdated and you want a quick way to update everything in one tap, this video I'll show you update all Android apps at once without wasting time updating them individually. First, make sure your Android phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. A stable connection will help the apps download faster and prevent update errors. Now launch the Google Play Store app on your device. Once the Play Store opens, look at the top right corner and tap on your Google account profile icon. A new menu will appear on the screen. From there, choose the Manage Apps and Device option to access your installed applications and update settings. Inside this section, you'll see an area called Updates Available. Tap on it to check all apps that currently have pending updates waiting to be installed. Here you can manually update apps one by one, but if you want the fastest method, simply tap the Update All button located near the top section of the screen. After tapping it, your Android phone will automatically begin downloading and installing all available app updates at the same time. Just wait a few minutes while the process completes in the background. Updating your apps regularly helps improve phone performance, adds new features, fixes bugs, and keeps your device secure with the latest protections. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more useful Android tips and tech guides.